Jess from Jellephant Art, and in today's video I thought it would be fun if I let DIYers control my artwork. So basically, if you don't know what DIY is, it's a kids like social media basically, and you can share all sorts of creative projects you've been working on. So yeah, I've done a series of different posts asking like kind of questions about what I should include in my artwork. So my account is Party Elephant Crafts if you want to follow me over there. And the first question was drawing or painting, and it was pretty obvious that people wanted to see a painting, which to be honest I wasn't really surprised by, because I don't know, that just seems like it would make a better video. And so yeah, now we know that it's painting, it's like what kind of paint. So yeah, I asked acrylic or watercolour. This was a close one as I had 4 different comments that said acrylic and 3 that said watercolour. Not gonna lie, I kind of wanted to do watercolour, but you know, it would kind of be against the challenge if I just like, you know, ignored the votes. And yeah, the next question was canvas or acrylic paper, and as I predicted, you know, everyone said canvas. I don't really know why they wouldn't. And on this post I asked any ideas for what I could paint, and somebody says maybe a sunset, and somebody else says I'll maybe go with a sunrise, but it could also be fun to do a portrait of some sort. And I think those are really good ideas, so I found some like images online, and the first comment I got was sunrise or sunset please, so you know, I kind of just went with that. So now it's time to actually start painting. So yeah, let's just have a look at what canvas I've got. I've only got a small one, and as you can see, it's kind of been used a little bit, and my sister actually started sketching this. I think it was meant to be like a llama or something. She loves llamas. Well, kind of did. And she clearly decided, you know,
oh, this isn't working, so you know, let's just discard this, even though, you know, there's this magical thing called an eraser.
And yeah, there are also paint smudges on it. I promise those are paint, by the way. So yeah, I'll be using my Arteza 60 set of acrylic colours, which is just effortless to get open. So yeah, here they are. I'm not entirely sure why I'm like making a point to like show you these, like they look like paint. Nobody's surprised. So yeah, now let's just get on with the sketch. And yeah, I'm using a mechanical pencil for this just cause. And my first idea for a sunset was to do like a sunset over an ocean. I've done that like twice before, and like, I don't know, it's just not that much of a like that weird for me, I guess, but I kind of had the idea, and I just kind of stuck with it. You know what looked nice if I did like a sunrise or something, like in the mountains. I think that would look really nice, but I don't know, I don't really think about it much, so I just kind of went with my first idea. So yeah, now I'm just doing the sky. I don't know why putting paint on a palette is so satisfying. So yeah, I kind of, with the sky, I think it was possibly a little too red. So yeah, I wanted to include like kind of like purples and stuff, but it kind of mixed with the orange to create a very muddy colour. So, you know, I just kind of, you know, settled for this, I guess. So yeah, now I'm doing the ocean, which to be honest, you can't really see like the variation in colour much because the light is like reflecting on it, and also my hair is in the frame, so you know, that's nice. So yeah, I just kind of squeezed paint on the actual canvas, so you know, that's something, I guess, I don't know. And I decided to do some like silhouettes. Again, like the whole kind of like ocean idea.
It's one of those things I didn't even consider, like I probably could have done something better with.
So yeah, I feel like this is a sort of art that like I would have like wanted to create like a year or 2 ago. But I feel like my style's changed from this now to the point where I'm not like the biggest fan of this sort of style. You know, it would have been cool if I did like green sky or something. Like with like greens and blues. Like the northern lights, that'd be cool, but wait, that wouldn't really be sunrise. It could be. Just a made up one. So yeah, I'm going in for coat number 2 on the sky just because some of the pencil lines were still kind of visible, and I just wanted to sharpen it up a bit more and create a bit more of an even blend. So yeah, I'm just continuing to do that. I don't really have anything else to say about that. So, you know, I'll just like play some music or something in this space, because why not? Okay, so now I have done a second coat of the sky, touched up the silhouettes, and also I am currently working on the ocean. I did my signature, but like decided not to move the camera any closer, so you know, we just got some lovely grainy zoomed in footage. So yeah, just spending a while on that signature. Don't hate it when you like mess up a signature at the end of the painting and it's like you have to repaint over it. It's never really happened before, but it sounds really annoying. So yeah, here is the finished result. I still have the clear coat, like not completely dry yet, which meant that the filming light was like really reflecting on it and it was kind of annoying, but I still think it looks kind of cool, like with like the shininess of the clear coat. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this actually. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, and I hope you do too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give that a like and also subscribe to see more content on the channel. I may even do one with like Instagram followers or something, I don't know. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye!